Breaking news. Supreme Court finally makes decision on reserve judgment on 2022 Electoral Act. Hello, my wonderful people. It has become a real, it has been a serious bone of contention since the national executive made a new law saying everyone and anyone who has an appointment position must resign within a certain period of time if they want to continue on their political route. That was seriously contested by the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, who went to every length to ensure that, that did not stand. He took the matter to court, and even, Emefiele was on it as well, saying he wants to contest to become Nigeria's president. These things are becoming, what is staring us all now in the face. Let's see what the Supreme Court has decided on this regard. Breaking news. Supreme Court reserves judgment on 2022 Electoral Act. The Supreme Court has reversed judgment in a suit filed by President Muhammadu Buhari and the Attorney General of the Federation seeking an interpretation of Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. The seven-man panel led by Justice Mohammed Doje said the date will be communicated to the party involved in the suit. The Apex Court arrived at the conclusion after taking argument from parties and adopting their precision on what they think should be the right aspect to go on. At the proceeding on Thursday, the All Progressive Grand Alliance APGA and the Nigerian Bar Association NBA brought in applications seeking to be joined in the interpretation of this and the parties. APGA, however, ought out by withdrawing its application for joining, which was subsequently struck out by the Apex Court. The NBA, however, stood firm, insisting that Nigerians do not represent Nigeria. Nigerians do not have representations on the suit. That is why it has ought to join the matter. In the suit, the defendants were the National Assembly Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the Attorney General of the Rivers State. On the account of the NBA insists it was to represent the interest of Nigerians by joining in the suit so that Nigeria can have a true interpretation of what is going on with regards to our democracy. Fagbo objected that the NBA joining in the suit cures the matter, insisting it holds an option that it is taking sides on the matter already. Eventually, the plaintiffs cancelled the application for NBA to be joined to the suit and stressed that the submission on the matter will be strictly given on interpretation of the suit on Section 84, subsection 4. The panel in a short ruling on the NBA as an important part of it. The Attorney General has filed a lawsuit seeking to understand the interpretation of that very meaning in terms of how this play out with those who want to contest in election matters with different aspects on what is currently going on. Well, my wonderful people, it has become, a true meaning of what is happening. It has become a true meaning of what is going on. This is why Nigerians, we cannot lie. Nigerians, we cannot lie. The Attorney General and President Muhammadu Buhari, they are just working in synergy to see to it that they destroy the very fabric of this nation. Okay? They just want to see to it that they destroy the very fabric of this nation. The National Assembly came together and they put out laws that could potentially save the democratic system of this nation. However, these people have gone on to put other persons in, saying, this person did it, that person did it. The NBA came in as well to say, this person did not do it. Okay, this matter, it's not what you think. So there are real issues, there are real matters ongoing in regards to what has exactly happened, to our democracy, where the Attorney General who was appointed took the national body, to court, that he wants to participate, he wants to become Kebbi State Governor, and as a result of this law, it does not favor him, and so the law should be cancelled. In fact, he went all by himself. All by himself, he went to court without even including the national body to say, I'm taking you to court on interpretation of this law. If you watch carefully, the Attorney General is the new Lord in Nigeria. He's the one, he's the one ruling. Until Buhari said, okay, those that are appointed, you must resign before the 16th. He was still there, and even afterwards, he did not, resign. He didn't resign. He didn't resign. He stayed on because all kinds of vices and things are still ongoing. Okay, all kinds of vices and things are still ongoing. And that's why Nigerians, the time to begin to make a real difference is now. So at the end of the day, we all can really, really get the best candidates. These people, they've been appointed, they don't want to leave. They were appointed, they stay there, and they don't want to leave. Okay? The problem is with what we're having today is the recycling, the continuous recycling, okay, of these people. The continuous recycling is what has put us where we are. We need a fresh government altogether. They took the National Assembly to court. And now, he has joined Buhari in the suit that, yes, they want to get interpretation because he wants the judgment to be what he will want to hear. So these are possibilities of things going on and why we cannot allow, okay, those who are destroying the very fabric of the nation to remain leaders, because their position is destroying everything we hope and hold dearly as a nation, so that at the end of the day, we can be truly free. So these are things going on. Nigerians, the time to act and to make a difference is now, so that we can be free, so that we can be free from the current oppression and things that are going on. Well, it is about time. They took them to court, and then the judge have moved on and has said it's another day, so to say. Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.